It's a huge creative hub that no one talks about.
It will truly teach you who you are like at your core.
And I felt like I was not only on top of the world, but I made it to heaven.
I have been completely blown away.
It's a really big piece of my heart now.
I can't even begin to explain like how grateful I am that I was here.
Our students are doing internships in many different disciplines. Depending on what their particular career goals are and their academic emphasis is, they were able to get internships in those areas.
So we are at No Lutando. They are helping young adults who have disabilities prepare for the workforce. Now I'm actually helping them design a sensory space so that when the beneficiaries are triggered by their disability or they're feeling overstimulated, they can go to that sensory space and feel like they can calm down in a safe space and then re-enter their workshops.
So I'm here at Bush Radio. For my internship, I'm behind the soundboard, engineering. I am creating my own radio show. There's another side of marketing that I realized is what I love, and that's storytelling and creating narratives.
At Cape Town TV, I do graphic design, producing social media graphics, and I'm also working on motion graphics and making a commercial, meeting with a bunch of different people like the marketing team, the production team. Just going to see how like a TV set works is awesome.
In a school setting, everything is there. Everything is already set and placed. And here, I felt like this has been a learning experience, how to maneuver things when not everything is provided for me.
I'm out here as a preschool teacher assistant, and we were helping, bring some joy to people who are terminally ill right now. So really just do a community service, reach out to have people smile.
This has been an incredible experience, unlike any other travel abroad experience.
I think I really enjoyed seeing the penguins.
We went to Robben Island, which is where Nelson Mandela was imprisoned.
We have visited Langa, which is a township here in South Africa, and it was really grounding to see how else life can look like.
Cape Point, I really enjoyed that day, the view from the lighthouse all the way down to the southernmost point. VACorps was also a highlight as well, learning about the rich cultural history and being able to eat at a local's house.
It's met every single expectation I've had and exceeded basically all of them.
No matter where you are in the city, there's something to appreciate.